Hi guys, welcome back to my channel SDE, still debugging everything, and today we're solving group anagrams, the fourth question of NeetCode 150. This question is pretty similar to the second question we solved, which was valid anagram. So now let's go to the question. Given an array of strings strs, group all anagrams together into sublists. You may return the output in any order. An anagram is a string that contains the same characters as another string, but order of the characters can be different. So we can see an example here where we have 6 strings which are divided into lists of 3 with the same characters. We have hat, but no other string has the same characters, so it's a single value in a list. And then there's act and cat with a, c and t, then stop, pause, stops. So my idea to solve this question will be to introduce a frequency array for each word, and using that frequency array we will divide all the words into different lists. So what I'm trying to use here is a hash map in which the frequency array, because for act and cat frequency array will be same, stop, pause and tops frequency array will be same, and for hat frequency array will be same. So frequency array is the key here, and the value will be a list of the words containing that frequency array. So I'll take an example here, act, cat and hat. So cat has a frequency array of this 1 0 1 until t, and then 0 till z. Same thing for cat. Now what we will do is, the frequency array will be the key, and for each frequency array key there will be a value. So for the frequency array of 1 0 1 1 0 0 0, we have cat and act. For the other frequency array for hat, we only have hat. Now let's go to coding and see how we can code this problem. Hey guys, so I've opened up my IDE in NeetCode here. So let's start coding this question. So first let's declare our hash map. So it will be hash map of string and a list of string, which will at the end pass as the return result. So let's call this frequency map, which will be a new hash map. Now let's iterate through the array for string current word in strs. We'll have a frequency array here, which will be integer. Let's call this count, which will be new int 26, the number of alphabets we have. So now we'll go through the character of this word. So for character C in word dot tour, we'll use a character array here. So when we're going through this, what we will do is count of C minus A. Again, this is for the ASCII value. I have explained this is in one of my previous videos. So we increment this, and then now we have to get the key. Now string key will be array dot toString. We'll convert this count array into a string here. Now that that's done, now we have to check. So now we'll be using a method in the frequency map. Now this method is called compute if absent key. Now what this does is, in case the key already exists, it will update the value of the key. In case the value does not exist, it will create a new key. So what we'll enter here is the key, and we can say val will be a new array list in case it's it doesn't have a value already, and if that is not the case, we will add word to it. We'll be updating the list here. So now that is done. Now for the return statement, we will return new. Okay, what we are doing is we're getting an array list. We're getting an array list here, so I think we'll have to cast it. So let's say list. Let's copy this. List of string result equals new array list, which will have frequency map dot values. So that's done. So we'll return result. Let's run this and check if our approach is correct. Okay, it's supposed to be arrays. We're missing an S here. Did we make any mistake in declaration? Cannot find symbol. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be compute if absent, not compute if absent key. Okay, our code is run properly. Let's submit this. Okay, so our runtime is not very good here, but yeah, this is I've seen various methods of solving this question. Other than this, sorting all the words, sorting all the characters of the words, and then and then sorting that array and then adding it to the list. But I feel those are more complex, and this comparatively is much simpler to understand and to implement. So yeah, guys, I had not done this question, when the last time I was practicing, which was a few months back. But yeah, since I'm making the coding videos now, I feel obliged to attempt the questions, which is kind of helping me out. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. Let's see you for the next one, hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, take care.